Hello class, this is a brief review of homework set number 3. So we have removal of calcium by the addition of sodium carbonate to precipitate calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate, 1 mole of calcium, 2 moles of chlorine, molecular weight of 110, 250 milligrams per liter gives 2.25 millimoles. Molecular weight of soda ash is 106. So 2.25 millimoles times 106 is 239 milligrams of calcium carbonate. The amount for 1,000 milligrams, we have 1,000 liters per cubic meter. 1,000 cubic meters and 1,000,000 milligrams per kilogram gives us 239 kilograms of soda ash. So for 1,200 50 cubic meters per hour times 24 hours per day gives us 287 kilograms of soda ash. Okay, problem number 2. 488 liters per day times 5 people times 30 days is 73,000 liters per month. 200 milligrams of calcium. We need 2 moles of sodium per mole of calcium. There's 40 milligrams of calcium per mole. So the molecular weight of salt is 58 times 73,000 liters, ends up 42.7 kilograms of salt per month. And this is an approximation, a first approximation of the amount. You actually won't remove all of the sodium, and you will need an excess of sodium chloride, which ends up in the regeneration stream. Of course, the sodium ends up in the water, drinking water. Okay, so we're back to calcium chloride. The molecular weight's 110 again. In this case, we have 100 milligrams of calcium chloride. So sulfuric acid molecular weight is 98. So 0.9 millimoles per liter times 98, 1 mole per mole. 1,000 liters per cubic meter for 1,000 cubic meters, and 1,000,000 milligrams per kilogram ends up with 88 kilograms of acid. Caustic, we have 2 moles per mole of calcium chloride. So 0.9 times 2 times 40 in molecular weight of sodium hydroxide ends up with 72 kilograms of sodium hydroxide. Problem number 4. We have 124 milligrams of magnesium chloride. Molecular weight's 95.2, so 1.3 millimoles. 1 mole per mole. The molecular weight of lime is 74, so that is 96 milligrams of calcium hydroxide per liter. Okay, for our familiar soap scum problem, soap is a natural salt of sodium and fatty acids such as stearic acid or oleic acid, and soap scum is the product of the reaction of calcium and magnesium with the fatty acids. It's highly insoluble. So just a note, these are the type of problems you'll see on the exam, and the point value on the homeworks is approximately the kind of point value you will see on the exam. So good luck.